To you, sister, and hurt. Yeah, you were crying. Was it my fault? Sorry.
Sorry? Sorry, brother. Sorry won't mend it, brother. Now please, take your soup, brother.
Very well, dear. But tell me,
Brother, you are like a child. You sold those salt cellars. I can't trust you anymore, brother. I can't trust you anymore out of my sight.
oh, the salt cellars. They were very beautiful. I had sold them because I have no money.
Oh,
I feel sorry for it.
oh, brother, go on, go on. You are impossible. Now you will sell your candlesticks next.
No, no, sister, not them.
Oh, why not? This would pay somebody rent, I suppose. Brother, you will break my heart. Don't say anything more. Give your blessings to me, and don't sit up too long and tire your eyes, brother.
No, dear. Good night.
Okay, brother. If you go loud, you are a dead man.
But my friend, as you see, I am bleeding. Why I call out? Can I help you?
Oh yes, I want food. I have not eaten anything for 3 days. Give me food quickly.
Certainly, my son. You will get food. I will ask for the keys of cupboard.
Sit down. Don't try to be over smart. Now ask your sister for the keys. I want no keys. I want food.
My friend, you have nothing to fear. My sister and I are alone here.
If you play any trick, I will try my knife in your heart. I have nothing to lose.
My friend, you have your soul to lose. It is more valuable than my heart. Person,
Yes, brother.
person. Here is a poor traveler who is hungry. I want to give him food. Can you open the cupboard?
What? At this time of night? Don't we have to sleep now?
But person, traveler is hungry.
Okay, brother. I'm coming. Oh, brother. What is doing with that knife?
Knife. Oh, he might thought that. He sold us. Person, give me keys and you may go to your room.
Well, very well, brother.
Take my son.
My knife is sharp, but we do not use the knife in the prison. Prison? Yes, prison. What was that? Why the devil do you keep open the door so that everyone can come in?
That is why they are left open.
So you are not afraid of thieves?
I feel so.
Sorry for them. Sorry for them. What the devil are you?
I am a bishop.
Bishop? A holy virgin.
Person, you may go to your room so that we can talk more freely.
Yes, leave us. Good night. I want to talk to Bishop. Okay, brother.
Sit down, my friend.
Do you know what I am?
Yes, I know. A man who is suffered very much.
Yes, I was suffered very much when I was a man. But now, today, I am a number 15629. I lived in hell for 10 years.
My friend, please tell me about it.
Why? Why? Do you want to tell the police to send them after me?
No, no, I will not tell the police.
Okay, I believe you. I don't know what. Okay, I believe you.
My friend, please tell me about the life before going to hell.
A long time ago, I had a little cottage. My wife was ill. We had no food, no work. So I stole to buy fruit from her. But they caught me and beat me like a wild beast. And they put me in the hell for 10 years.
My friend, please tell me about the prison scene, about hell.
Yes, I will tell you. They chained me and beat me like a wild beast. They made me a thief. But one day, they forget to chain me and I was scared.
How?
Yes, they were hunting me everywhere. I had no passport, no name, so I stole again and again. I slept into the woods, roads.
My friend, you suffered very much. But there is a hope for all.
Hope for all. Hope for all.
My friend, it is very late. Will you lie here now?
Okay, I lie down here. No bill becomes?
If anyone comes, I will tell. You are my good friend.
Okay, okay,
I will get something for covering you.
okay. They are so heavy.
Oh, you are admiring my candlesticks.
Yes.
They are my proud because they are gifted from my mother.
Why are you so kind to me? Why? What do you want?
My friend, I want you take a good sleep in night.
I know you want to convert me a good human being. But I tell you, I don't want any religion, no church.
That is pity, my son. Sir, don't hate you. Please sleep here now.
Are you sure? No bill becomes?
Yes, if you wish, lock the door.
Okay.
Good night, my friend.
Good night. Yeah. Candlesticks, they are so heavy. They wash me hundreds. If I can take them, I can start afresh. But they are gifts of Bishop's mother. But they are gifts of Bishop's mother. I can start afresh. My new life. Why he so kind to me? Why? If I take them, candlesticks and go. But if I lie down here, he convert me a good human being. Okay. But the door shut. No one is here. And my candlesticks, they are gone. Oh no, the thief. We are robbed. Oh brother, come and see. We are robbed. Brother, come.
What happened, my dear? Oh, the candlesticks are gone. I wish he had left them. They were all I had.
Oh brother, now go and inform the police. He can't go on far. They will catch soon him. Brother, how can you trust a man like that in a house, brother? How?
Yes, Kasam, you are right. It was all my fault.
Oh brother, go and inform the police. If you will not, then I will. I will not stand by. And see, you are robbed. I know you are my brother, but you are a child, brother. I will tell you, he is a thief from a movement. Now please inform the police. I will go and inform the police.
Stop, Kasam, stop. He need more than me.
What?
It is the wish of God.
Father, can we come in? Father, can we come in? We have something for you.
Come in, my son.
We have found a prisoner. He is having candlesticks. These silver ones.
Oh, my candlesticks!
Yes, we found these candlesticks in his possession. I remembered these was yours, so I came here.
But I don't understand. This gentleman is my good friend.
Your good friend?
Yes, of course. He is my guest tonight and I gifted him these candlesticks.
These candlesticks, they won't be hundreds. Who
Yes.
will give them?
Yes, of course, I gift him.
Pardon us, Monsieur.
Now I think you can let down the prisoner.
Sorry, sir. Leave the prisoner and march. Okay, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good night.
You had given me the candlesticks? You scoundrel! You came here, fake and firm, and you stole my candlesticks from a benefactor, you blackguard!
You are tired. Go to your room.
No, brother, leave you with this man, perhaps to be murdered. No, I will not.
I wish it and place the candlesticks on the table.
No, brother, this is mine. I will not.
It is my command.
Okay, brother. I know. I know. I am a bad animal.
My friend, will you sleep here now?
No, no. I should leave your place and go to the palace. But I must say, I must travel at night.
Yes, you must travel at night.
I forgot there was any good in the world. How can be so good? Could you please bless me before I go?
My friend, my blessings are always with you.
Good night, monsieur. Good night.
Stop, my friend. You forget your candlestick.
What do you mean? Should I take them?
Yes, please take them. You need it.
No, no,
You need it.
no, no.
You need it. Please take them, my friend. Take them.
Monsieur, I know I am a bad animal, but now I feel I am a good human being. Please bless me, monsieur.
My friend, always remember that. Always, never take shortcuts. Never you lose your hope. This life is a gift of God. So always be honest and helpful to others.
Thanks, monsieur.
Always remember, my son, that this poor body is a temple of living God.
Thanks, monsieur. I will always remember. Always remember.
Thank you.
And love mankind. Hate sin, but not the sinner. Every heart is a beautiful, a little love and sympathy can change beast into a man. Wonderful. Now next, here is a special play which is soon you will see on the stage. Since eras, I have been serving humanity. I am renowned for my charm and simplicity. I am fiction. I am doctor, politician, a guru and a sage. I carry the crystal clear image. At every junction, I put to the test, but I emerged victorious, the best. Yes, I is empowered woman. Now you're going to see a play on empowered women. So hold your breath. You will see the spellbound performance by the Descentians. So here is the play of the day, Save the Girl Child.
खेल बिठाए हम
खेलेंगे तो सीखेंगे हम क्या है जीवन
सभी नशों से बड़ा नशा है नशे में डूबे हम
खेलेंगे तो बदलेंगे हम सारे मौसम गुस्से को उदासियों को दूर भगा नफरतों शिकायतों का भूल पता जीतो हार गिर के संभल के जरा सच्ची ताजी सेहतों का ले लो मजा
खेलेंगे हम जो खेल अरे बदले अपना देश अरे कस्से के कमर अब खेलो इंडिया खेले जी चलो खेले जिया हो दिल लगा के हम खेले खेले जी चलो खेले तुमसे है दिल को मेरे कसम से सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला। तुझे है पाया रब से, है दिल को मेरे कसम से सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला। हर पल हंसी सा हुआ है।
प्रीति, जल्दी ही खुशी के दिन आने वाले हैं।
हाँ रोहित।
अच्छा प्रीति, ऑफिस के लिए बहुत देर हो रही है।
हाँ रोहित, मुझे भी बहुत देर हो रही है। क्या बात है रोहित, आज जल्दी में हो?
प्रीति, आज तुम्हारी सोनोग्राफी की रिपोर्ट आने वाली है।
रिपोर्ट से क्या होता है रोहित? लड़का हो या लड़की, स्वस्थ होना चाहिए। सोनोग्राफी तो एक मेडिकल प्रोसेस है जिससे पता चलता है बच्चा स्वस्थ है या अस्वस्थ।
बेटा ही होना चाहिए। मैंने तो उसका नाम भी सोच के रखा है, सन्नी। सूरज की तरह चमकता रहेगा मेरा बेटा।
रोहित, अगर बेटी हुई तो?
नहीं बाबा नहीं, मुझे बेटी नहीं चाहिए।
ऐसा क्यों रोहित?
प्रीति, मैं घर के खर्चे उठाऊंगा या ईएमआई चुकाऊंगा या फिर दहेज के पैसे देता रहूंगा?
ओफो रोहित, आजकल जमाना बदल चुका है। दहेज वहेज का कोई चक्कर नहीं होता। बच्चे इंटरनेट के थ्रू ही शादी कर लेते हैं।
प्रीति, सब कहने की बात है। आजकल का माहौल देखा है कितना खराब हो गया है। ऐसे माहौल में लड़की को पालना आसान बात है क्या? तुम ऑफिस जाती हो, मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ, पीछे से उसे संभालेगा कौन? अरे कुछ ऊंच नीच हो गई तो समाज में क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे?
ओफो रोहित, मेरे मम्मी पापा भी तो जॉब करते थे, उन्होंने भी तो मुझे संभाला है।
प्रीति, पहले की बात और थी। पहले जॉइंट फैमिली होती थी, आजकल सोलो फैमिली है। ऐसे माहौल में लड़की को पालना आसान बात नहीं है। नहीं बाबा नहीं, मुझे टेंशन नहीं चाहिए।
रोहित, आप पढ़े लिखे होकर कैसी बातें कर रहे हो?
प्रीति, पढ़ा लिखा हूँ तभी ऐसी बातें कर रहा हूँ। न्यूज चलाकर देखो, रोज एक मर्डर। पिछले से पिछले साल दामिनी केस में देखा था, क्या हालत हुई थी बेचारी की।
रोहित, तो क्या डर के मारे जीना ही छोड़ दे? इसी कारण से 1000 में से केवल 770 लड़कियां रह गई हैं। रोहित, हर कोई अगर आपकी तरह सोचने लगा तो 1000 के मुकाबले केवल 100 लड़कियां रह जाएंगी। सोचो क्या हाल होगा उनका। घर से बाहर निकलना मुश्किल हो जाएगा, लोग उन्हें नोच खाएंगे। रोहित, बदलाव के लिए किसी को तो शुरुआत करनी होगी ना?
प्रीति, मानता हूँ, पर मैं शुरुआत नहीं कर सकता। सारी जिंदगी स्ट्रगल कर करके यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ। अब बेटी का कर्ज भी सिर पे ले लिया तो बची कुछ जिंदगी भी ऐसे ही गुजारनी पड़ेगी।
रोहित, आप बेटी को बोझ क्यों समझते हो? लड़का लड़की में फर्क क्यों?
फर्क है प्रीति, फर्क है। लड़का लड़का होता है, लड़की लड़की होती है। लड़का वंश बढ़ाता है, लड़की लड़की सिर्फ टेंशन बढ़ाती है। प्रीति, लगता है रिपोर्ट आ गई।
रिपोर्ट आ गई? रिपोर्ट आ गई? क्या आया है रिपोर्ट में?
वही जिस बात का डर था, बेटी है।
रोहित, इसमें परेशान होने की क्या बात है? मुझे तो बेटी ही चाहिए थी।
पर प्रीति, मुझे नहीं चाहिए बेटी। प्रीति, तुम्हें इसे अबॉर्ट करना ही होगा।
क्या? क्या रोहित? क्या? आर यू सीरियस रोहित? आर यू सीरियस? नहीं रोहित, नहीं नहीं रोहित, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती। रोहित, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती।
प्रीति, समझती क्यों नहीं? आजकल लड़की को पढ़ाना लिखाना, उसकी शादी कराना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है।
नहीं रोहित, प्लीज नहीं, मैं डबल मेहनत करूंगी। रोहित प्लीज ऐसा मत करो।
एक बार बोला ना, बेटी नहीं चाहिए।
नहीं नहीं रोहित, प्लीज नहीं।
प्रीति, चूज वन, बेटी या फिर मैं।
नहीं नहीं रोहित, नहीं, प्लीज रोहित नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती। प्लीज रोहित। नहीं रोहित, प्लीज नहीं रोहित, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती। रोहित प्लीज मेरी बात समझने की कोशिश करो। रोहित, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती। रोहित, रोहित प्लीज, रोहित, रोहित, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती। रोहित।
पिंजरे के पंछी पिंजरे के पंछी
रे